As I reflect on my journey through the skies in 2025, testing out some of the best DJI drones on the market, I can't help but be amazed by the evolution of this technology and its impact on both casual and professional aerial photography. From the sleek, compact design of the DJI Mini series to the advanced capabilities of the Mavic and Inspire line, each drone has its unique charm and utility. The innovation showcased this year, from enhanced obstacle avoidance systems to improved battery life, has significantly broadened the horizons for aerial enthusiasts and professionals alike. We have listed the best DJI drones 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Now let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a compelling addition to the world of consumer drones, offering an impressive blend of performance, portability, and advanced features that cater to both hobbyists and professional pilots alike. After extensive testing and evaluation, it's clear that this drone sets a new standard in aerial photography and videography. One of the standout features of the Mavic 3 Classic is its superb camera system, which boasts a 20-megapixel Hasselblad sensor capable of capturing stunning 5.1K video at 50 frames per second. The image quality is nothing short of breathtaking, with vibrant colors, exceptional detail, and impressive low-light performance, making it an excellent choice for photographers and filmmakers seeking high-quality content. Flight performance is another area where the Mavic 3 Classic excels. With a robust flight time of up to 46 minutes, you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about battery life. The drone's omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures a safer flying experience, allowing you to navigate complex environments with confidence. Additionally, the advanced return to home feature adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your drone safely returns to its starting point. The Mavic 3 Classic is designed for ease of use, whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner. The intuitive DJI Fly app provides a user-friendly interface for controlling the drone and accessing a range of intelligent flight modes, including waypoints, focus track, and master shots. These features not only enhance the flying experience, but... Number 4. DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is an impressive addition to DJI's lineup of consumer drones, and it stands out for its exceptional performance, advanced features, and user-friendly design. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that this drone is perfect for both amateur and professional photographers and videographers alike. One of the standout features of the DJI Air 3 is its dual camera system. The main camera boasts a 1.3-inch sensor that captures stunning 4K video at up to 60 FPS, while the additional camera allows for medium telephoto shots at 3x optical zoom. This versatility means you can easily switch from wide-angle landscapes to detailed shots of distant subjects without compromising on quality. In terms of flight performance, the Air 3 offers an impressive flight time of up to 46 minutes, which is significantly longer than many of its competitors. The enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors provide peace of mind during flights, allowing for smoother navigation in complex environments. The drone also features DJI's O4 transmission technology, which ensures a reliable and stable video feed, even at distances of up to 12 kilometers. Another highlight is the intuitive DJI Fly app, which makes it easy to edit and share your footage directly from your device. The app is user-friendly, making it accessible even for those who are new to flying drones. With various intelligent flight modes like focus track and quick shots, capturing stunning aerial shots has never been easier. Number 3. DJI AVATA 2. The DJI AVATA 2 is a remarkable drone that has quickly established itself as a top choice for both amateur and professional pilots. Building on the success of its predecessor, the AVATA 2 enhances the flying experience with improved features, superior camera capabilities, and a user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of the AVATA 2 is its upgraded camera system, which captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 48 120p photos. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or close-up wildlife, the image quality is exceptional, with vibrant colors and sharp detail. The drone also boasts enhanced low-light performance, making it easier to capture great shots during dawn or dusk. The flight performance of the AVATA 2 is impressive, offering smooth, stable flight even in breezy conditions. Thanks to its advanced stabilization technology, your footage will be steady and professional-looking, whether you are flying in open areas or navigating through tight spaces. The intuitive controls make it easy for beginners to pick up, while advanced features like customizable flight modes provide experienced pilots with the flexibility they crave. Another highlight of the AVATA 2 is its robust safety features. With obstacle avoidance sensors, GPS positioning, and an emergency stop function, you can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will help prevent mishaps. The battery life is also commendable, providing up to 32 minutes of flight time on a single charge, allowing for extended shooting sessions. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE, lightweight mini drone with QHD video. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a remarkable addition to the world of compact drones, combining advanced features with an impressive price point. After extensive testing and hands-on experience, it's clear why this drone has quickly become a favorite among both beginners and seasoned pilots. One of the standout features of the Mini 2 SE is its impressive flight performance. With a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes, you can capture stunning aerial footage without the constant worry of battery life. The drone is equipped with a 12MP camera capable of shooting 2.7K video, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals that are sure to impress. Plus, thanks to its 3-axis gimbal stabilization, your shots will remain steady even in windy conditions. The Mini 2 SE's lightweight design, weighing less than 249 grams, makes it incredibly portable and easy to carry, allowing you to take it on all your outdoor adventures. Setting it up is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly DJI Fly app, which provides intuitive controls and easy access to various shooting modes. Whether you're a novice or an expert, flying this drone feels seamless and enjoyable. One of the essential features for outdoor enthusiasts is its robust connectivity. The Mini 2 SE boasts enhanced transmission technology, allowing for a reliable connection even at distances of up to 10 kilometers. This means you can explore further without losing contact with your drone, making it ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes and wildlife from above. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro DJI RC2 Folding Mini Drone with 4K HDR Video Camera for Adults. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a remarkable drone that elevates the experience of aerial photography and videography to new heights. After extensive testing and use, it's clear that this compact powerhouse combines cutting-edge features with user-friendly operation, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Mini 4 Pro is its incredible camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1.3-inch sensor, it captures stunning 48 megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 FPS, ensuring that every detail is crisp and vibrant. The improved low-light performance means you can shoot at dawn or dusk without sacrificing image quality. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate wildlife details, the Mini 4 Pro delivers exceptional clarity and color accuracy. Another highlight is its impressive flight time. With a maximum battery life of up to 34 minutes, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture the perfect shot without constantly worrying about battery drain. The drone is also incredibly lightweight, weighing just 249 grams, which makes it easy to transport on any adventure. The Mini 4 Pro features advanced obstacle sensing technology, allowing it to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. This provides peace of mind when flying in complex environments, ensuring a safer flying experience. Additionally, the enhanced transmission range of up to 12 kilometers means you can explore further and capture more without losing connection. User experience is also a priority with the Mini 4 Pro. As I reflect on my journey through the skies in 2025, testing out some of the best DJI drones on the market, I can't help but be amazed by the evolution of this technology and its impact on both casual and professional aerial photography. From the sleek, compact design of the DJI Mini series to the advanced capabilities of the Mavic and Inspire line, each drone has its unique charm and utility. The innovation showcased this year, from enhanced obstacle avoidance systems to improved battery life, has significantly broadened the horizons for aerial enthusiasts and professionals alike. We have listed the best DJI drones 2025, and their key features. You need to consider this to help you choose the best one for you. For more information on the product, as always, I've included a link in the description box down below, which are updated with the best prices on each product. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything.